Good evening friends, study with the Pal Engineering and General Geology Parvin Singh book. 9th chapter start हो चुका है. The study of minerals, physical property, outer structure कैसे बना हुआ है, देखने में कैसे लगता है. The color of any object is a light dependent property. It is the appearance of the particular object in light. Darkness destroys color. A particular color is produced by reflections of some and absorptions of others component of white light. A minerals show color of that wavelength of the white light which is not absorbed by it by virtues of its composition and atomic structure. In nature, minerals of all properties perceivable colors are are known to occur. Quite a few common minerals generally occur in characteristic colors so that they can be easily identified from their color. On the basis of color, a minerals may belong to any one of the three types. Ideochromatics have the characteristics fairly the constant colors related primarily to the composition of minerals. Metallic minerals, example of copper group, belong to this category. Allochromatic having a variable color. The variety in color is generally due to minute quantities of colorings, impurities, and thoroughly dispersed in the mineral composition. Many non-metallic minerals like quartz, calcite, fluorite, and tu- tourmalines. It's may occur in more than two colors depends on the nature of impurities. Pseudochromatics showing a false colors such an effect generally happens when a mineral is rotated in hand. It is then seen to show a set of colors in suc- successions. This change or play of color is attributed to simultaneous reflections and refractions from the mineral surface due to minute inclusions of impurities in the minerals at different locations. Some of the peculiar phenomena are connected with the color in minerals are briefly explained below. Play of colors, it is the development of a series of prismatic colors shown by some minerals on turnings about in light. The color change in rapid successions on rotations, and their effect is quite brilliant and appealing to the eyes. These are caused by the interference of light reflected from the numerous cleavage surface of the minerals. Example diamond. Change of color, it is similar to play of colors except that the rate of change of colors on rotations and their intensity is rather low. Each color continue over a large space in the minerals before the other take over. Examples labradorite. Iridescence. Some minerals are rainbows colors similar to those appearing in drops of oil spilled over water, either in their interiors or on the exterior surface. This is called iridescence. It is also related to the reflections from inclusions, example limonite and hematite. Tarnish, this may be described as a phenomenon of change of original color of a minerals to some secondary colors at its surface due to its oxidation. At the surface, some minerals tarnish very quickly so that their exterior color is quite different from the interior color. Example, bornite and chalcopyrite. Although color is never taken as a diagnostics and conclusive property in the final identifications of mineral, it is invariably studied first of all and is generally very helpful. In fact, some minerals have typical color associated with them such as a lazurite, deep blue, pyrite, brass yellow, cinnabar, carmine red, magnetite black, and so on. Quite a few minerals may colorless and transparent when absolutely is pure and quartz, calcite, diamond and gypsum. Luster, simply defined, it is the sign of a mineral. Technically speaking, it is a intensity of reflections of light from the mineral surface and depends at least on three factors: the refractive index of the minerals, the absorption of light capacity of the minerals, the nature of reflecting surface. The same minerals may show a poor luster on rough surface and brilliant luster on a cleavage surface. Broadly speaking, lusters may be classified into metallic and non-metallic types. Metallic lusters are characteristic of a high density, high refractive index and opaque minerals like galena, pyrite and chalcopyrite. In the non-metallic lusters, the reflections may vary from very brilliant shines as that of a diamond to very feebly greasy luscious of olivine and nepheline. While studying luscious of the minerals, one may make us of all following qualitative terms. Metallic shines resembles to no metals, example galena, adamantine, luster of diamonds, very brilliant examples diamond. Vitreous shines are typicals of glass, ice, example quartz. Pearlies resembling the shines of pearls, example labradorite. Silky like the shines of pure silk, example gypsum. Resinous shines is oily, waxy and greasy, examples nepheline. Dull or earthy, where shines is almost absent because no light is reflected due to highly porous nature of the minerals, example chalk, clay, bauxite. It may be mentioned that luster is entirely independent of colors of the minerals. A deeply colored minerals may be lustered and vice versa. Thank you.